Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little math video with you. So my face is going to go away in a second because I can't have my face up while I do this picture. So I want you to open up your math book to page 607 so we can do today's assignment together if you want to. So that is going to be your job to go grab your math book. If you want to pause the video, you can pause it and go get it. So once you have your math book out, go ahead and open up to page 607. We're going to do problem solving, use a model. So I'm going to go away. So here we go. Okay, so you can see my paper in front of me. I'm going to do a little bit of editing to my paper so I can follow along with you so you can see what I'm going to do to my paper. Okay, so we are going to read the problem and then we're going to answer it. So Julian makes a pizza for himself and 3 friends. They want to share the pizza equally. Circle the model that shows how Julian should cut the pizza. Use the models to help you solve. Well, we know that Julian is one person and he has 3 friends. So Julian plus his 3 friends equals 4 friends. So that means that we need to make equal pieces for 4 people. So 1, 2, that's definitely not enough for 4 people, or even pieces for 4 people. 1, 2, 3, that's not right. I think they were trying to trick us and do just 3 friends, but we can't forget Julian. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, those all look really equal. Now this is 4, but these parts are smaller, so I'm going to cross that one out. So it looks like this is going to be the pizza that is split into 4 equal parts. Now let's go to question 2. A farmer has a chicken coop with 4 rows and 7 nests. Of 7 nests, there is 1 chicken in each nest. How many chickens are in the coop? So we're trying to figure out how many chickens are in the coop. Well, there's 4 rows, so I'm going to draw 4 rows. There's a row, there's a row, there's a row, there's a row. Now there's 7 nests in each row. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that one's really small. 7. I encourage you guys to follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one's so itty bitty. There, 7. Now, so we have 7 in each one. So I suggest that you maybe draw little X's. So there's 7 plus these 7 plus these 7 plus these 7. So we're going to do a math problem that's 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So how much is 4 7s? Well, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 more is 21. And 21 plus 7 more is 28. Or you could just go through and count all the dots. So I know there are 28 chickens in the coop. If each chicken lays 1 egg per day, how many eggs do the chickens lay in all on Saturday and Sunday? So we're going to be adding, because and, when you think of and, you think of add. Saturday and Sunday. So if there are Saturday is 28. Ooh, my 2 got kind of messed up. I'll just redo it. 2, 8 on Saturday. And then we'll draw a little sun for Sunday. And there's 28 on that day. And 8s are kind of hard to draw. So let's add those together. 28 plus 28. I'm going to do it over here on my side of my page. 28 plus, it's supposed to be a plus sign. Plus, remember we want to line up our numbers in our tens place, in our ones place, so that we don't mix them up. 8 plus 8. We should know our doubles fact. 8 plus 8 is 16. This 6 goes below. Hey, I can even just move it. And this 1 goes above. And now I have 2 plus 2 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 56. So the chickens lay how many eggs in all? They lay 56 eggs in all. Now, Miranda describes a shape to her friend. She says the shape has 2 more sides than a triangle and is split into halves. Circle Miranda's shape. Use the models to help you solve. So she says a shape has 2 more sides than a triangle. So here's triangle has how many sides? Well, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 more. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we're looking for a 5-sided figure with that split in half. Well, this isn't 5 sides. This is not 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. Penta means 5. Remember pentagon? So 5-sided polygon. And it's split in half. So I think that this is the one that Miranda was describing. Okay. So go ahead and look at your paper. We're going to go on to the back side in just a second. So I'll give you another second. You can always pause it if you need to and go back. That's the cool part of a video. It's like you get to watch a lesson, but you can pause it and rewind it whenever you need to. Okay? So I'm going to cancel that, and then I'll go on to the next page. Done. Now let's go on to the back side. Okay, so we already got done with the front. We'll move on to the back. So let's go ahead and start, edit, markup. Here we go. Raina has a rectangular garden. So a rectangle, remember, has 4 sides. 2 are even, the other 2 are even. She wants to plant a 4th of the garden with tomatoes, a 4th with carrots, a 4th with cucumbers, and a 4th with peppers. Which plan or plans could Raina use for her garden? So we need 4 equal parts. So this could be, are those 4 equal? Yeah, those 4 are equal. So she could use A, it looks like. Looks like B is all equal. Now C. Now, if you notice, if you look really closely, these 2 middle parts are bigger than those 2 side parts. So C is not an option. So she could do A. She could use plan A. It's not really letting me make this exactly how I want it. She could use A or B. So you should have the same thing written on your paper. Jacob thinks of 3-digit mystery number. So he says that the hundreds digit is 6 more than the ones digit. He says the number has 4 tens. What could Jacob's number be? Well, it looks like Jacob's number could be, they're giving 3 options, so there must be more than one right answer. So a 3-digit number has 3 numbers in it, 3 digits. That must mean there's a number in the hundreds. Oh, I'm trying to draw the word hundreds. Get out my pen tool. Hundreds, tens, and ones. So it says that the number has 4 tens. So that's not going to change. It has 4 tens. Now, he says that the hundreds digit, so this digit right here is 6 more than whatever this digit is. So whatever this one, the hundreds is 6 more than that. So let's say that this digit is a 0. If this is 0 and the hundreds is 6 more than that, what is 0 plus 6? Well, 0 plus 6 is 0, or is 6. So that was an easy one. So Joe's number could be 640. Now, like I said, there's more than one answer. So I'm going to take away this number and I'm going to take away the 0 but the 4 stays because it says that there's 4 in the tens place. What if this was a 1? How many would be in the hundreds? Well, what is 1 plus 6? 1 plus 6 is 7. So it could be 741. So we can move this and we can move this. And how about, what if this is a 2? 2 plus 6 is what? 8. So it could be 842. Now, I just did 3, but number 6 says explain the strategy you used to find all the possibilities for Jacob's mystery number. Now let's think about this. I think that there's one more number that you could have. So you could say, I could take off the 2 and I could take off the 8. I'm going to put a 3 here. 3 plus 6 is 9. So your answer could also be 943. Now, explain the strategy you used to find all the possibilities for Jacob's mystery number. Now, I'm not going to try to use my pen tool to do this because that would take me so long. So I'm just going to, actually, maybe it will let me. Nope. Okay, so I'm just going to explain. So what did we do? Well, we knew that the tens, I can put text right here. How perfect is that? Man, these computers are so nifty. So how did we figure it out? Well, we knew that the tens digit was the same, so that was easy. But the possibility as well, we put a number in the ones and added 6. Once the numbers in the ones, not onces, the ones were too big, we stopped. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. So let's say I wanted to try out 4. Well, if this was a 4 and the number in the hundreds digit was 6 plus 4, well, 6 plus 4 is 10. And we cannot put 2 digits. We cannot put 2 digits in 1 digit place. So that's why there's only 4. So let's see. Hopefully that helped you guys out. And here I am again. So I hope that helped you guys out. I hope you guys are doing okay with your math. Remember, I do have a Zoom office hour today from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock if you have any questions. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you soon.